Hey, hello, welcome to my bus. I'm Heidi, this is Heidis Dream. Come on in. Right here we have a shower set up. You just add this floor down here. And you can stand here and take a shower.
Nice. I've seen a few people who talked about putting the shower in their entranceway, and this is the first time I've actually found somebody who did.
Well, I couldn't see wasting 9 square feet for a shower.
Right.
And that was the best spot. This is my living room. I have a divider wall here, obviously. I did everything myself, sewing, everything, so what you see is what I did. I have storage up top here. Hot water tank underneath, on demand. Of course, my Berkey, everybody's got to show that off.
Yeah. Berkeys have almost become standard features in school.
It's almost like yoga mats.
Yeah.
Here's my kitchen. I run on 1 burner. That's all I really need. I have an oversized sink. There's a story behind it, but
better too big than too small.
I bought it, and if I could do it again, I would have went stainless steel. But I bought it, and then I was determined to get it. And it was already on the bus, and it's so heavy that I just put it in the bus. You know, this is just shelving I use for extra stuff, just display things, make it a little more homey.
Yeah, the other standard feature, a diesel heater.
Chinese diesel heater.
Yep.
I'm actually getting ready to rebuild this section. I don't really like it, so I'm going to build the cabinet all the way up to here and just enclose all that. But, I have a Wheeler's refrigerator.
Yep.
64 quarts. Here, let me get some light on back here. This is my pantry, closet. I got a couple shelves for food, storage.
More storage under the bed.
Yeah, it's my dog crate.
Oh, hello.
As he pops out on cue. This is the bedroom. Watch, I have another dog down here.
Okay.
I built this to hang my clothes because they're just everywhere, and you know how you reuse clothes, so I just want it. Plus, I like the fabric; it looks good. And here is my bathroom.
Just trying to get by the dog without.
Oh, just step over her. Don't worry about it. This is my
black dog in the shadows.
Yeah, dog in the shadow. I have a separate toilet. It's a composting toilet. I like it better than nature's had. There's no levers to turn. You just sit down and everything happens. And then change it, you just grab a bag and go. It's like done in 5 minutes.
Right.
And then I built this door.
Probably costs a little bit less than a nature's head.
About the same, but
really?
I think I just think the quality's better, and I think the usability. Like, I've had people all different sizes, gender use it, and nobody has a problem.
Right.
Like, they don't have to think about a lever or anything. They just sit down and use it.
Right.
And then I built this door so you can have extra leg room, or if you need just a little privacy.
Sure.
And then back here, I have a glass blowing studio. I'm still getting it hooked up, but there's my kiln and torch. But this is going to be a full operating glass blowing studio back here.
Full operating.
Glass blowing studio?
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
That's one of the things I always wanted to learn.
It's fun. This is I just store all my glass in here that I work with. Tools. I got 65 gallons underneath for water, and I have 200 amp hour battery. Right now I only have like 60 solar on the roof right now, but that's changing soon.
Yep.
Everything's still in making, of course.
Schoolies are never done.
Yeah, I got a rooftop deck too.
Okay.
It's up in the front there, but
very cool.
this is my bus. Thanks for coming.
Thank you. And do you have any social media?
Instagram.
Okay.
Heidis _Dream.
Okay.
And Facebook's Heidis Dream, but that's just,
All right.
that's it.
Well, you never know.
Oh, I have a YouTube too, but I don't really put much on it.
There's a lot of that going around.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed that video. And remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. All right. See you next time, YouTube. Bye.